Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the lighting on ASUS ROG Keris 2As. To do it, go to the lighting, then you can just disable the lighting or enable it, and when it's enabled you can set it to static, and in static it will just have a color. You can also set the brightness, breathing, so the color will be breathing. To change the color, just click on it and select it. Color cycles, so it will go through all of the colors. Reactive, so it will just light out the color whenever you click on something or use the scroll wheel, or you just click whatever on your mouse. Battery mode, so it will show you your battery level. Or aura sync, so it will be synchronized with the aura. You can also click on Aura Creator, and here will be custom lighting effects, so let me open that. Okay, I need to scroll the way down, click on Advanced 10 and Next. Then, no, I'm not below 16. Then Next. Get started. You need to update Armoury Crate, and here you'll be able to use it. If you don't know how to use Aura Creator, there will be a video on our channel on how to use the Aura Creator on ASUS ROG Keris 2As. So see you in the next video. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.